Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be putting on these are my Dahlias. I've let them dry out a few times, but they've got a bit of green fly that needs spraying for, but they will grow back and they will do well. So first of all we need to do is, this is a compost I'll be using. It's a multi-purpose, improves moisture retention, promotes superior root growth, free from green waste. It's a peat-based compost. I got it delivered, so let's get it open first and we'll see what we're going to use it for. I'm not seeing inside what it's like yet, so let's so here she is. That's what I like. That is really good quality compost, that. See it straight up there. Look at that. Really good, free draining, plenty of air in it. So right, let's get these sorted, shall we? First of all, just get the bottom there, stick your finger in, and there you have them. Nice root system. As you can see I've not been very well the last few weeks, so it actually didn't get watered for a long time. There's number 2. Really nice thick root system. Pull off the dead leaves. What I'm going to be doing is putting them onto these 9cm pots, as you can see. Like I said, just put some of this peat-based compost in. Give it a tap down. Get your Dahlia seedling, and then just give it a little gentle tap down, and one to one side. People tell me that I shouldn't be using peat-based compost. It's something I've always used, and as soon as the peat-free compost comes down and is at the same price point, I will start using it, because I cannot afford to use the peat-free compost at the moment. I do that much gardening, I've got that many plants, that it's just financially not viable for me to do it. That's 2. Right, like I said, get another one here. But like I said, these are going to need spraying. I'll water them in today, and then once they get settled in, I'll give them a spray tomorrow. You see the green fly there? Little nasty little things. People think you keep washing them off, but they just come back. Right, here we go. So, do one more. Fingers, make a nice hole for the root ball. In like so. Round it goes. And all we're going to do is give them a good water. If you've got any questions regarding how to grow, how to put on anything at all, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Keep safe, everybody. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. One thing, I think there's a little bit too much water coming out of this potting can. I'm going to have to top that up again, not you. Here we go. That's it. This one. That's that one. That's it. When they get to a certain height, these, I shall probably a couple more brackets. I shall nip them out and it'll make bushier plants. So that's how to put on your Dahlia seedlings. If you've got any questions, hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks. And remember, everybody, happy sowing, happy growing. Keep safe, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.